Hey guys, this is going to be my video on how to link documents on our to-do list for planning. One of the issues we've been seeing is that we're accidentally sharing the same document as other people, so we're getting each other's results. So we came up with a way to fix that. So what we're going to do is show you how to share Google Sheets and Nearpod lessons that you created in Nearpod on this document. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our lesson. And you can still keep creating them and sticking them in the third grade drive. That's perfectly fine. Once you get into the drive and open your document, we're just going to share it with the group. So again, when we share it, we're going to do something special at the end to ensure that not everyone is sharing the same document out to their kids. So once this loads, we're just going to go to the bottom where it says copy link to get the link for this document. Once it says link copied, we're going to go back to our to-do list for planning, click the cell that we want to add our link, click the little paperclip to insert link, and paste it in. Now we have one more step to ensure that it's going to make copies for everybody. You'll see at the end of this link, it says edit USP equals sharing. We're going to delete that and type in the word copy. This is going to make a copy for everybody. Once you do that, click apply. And you'll see our link has our final reading week 8 assignment in it. And when I click it, this screen will pop up that says, would you like to make a copy? Now, every time somebody clicks that link, it's going to make them a fresh copy, and it will be impossible for you to use the same sheet or form as anybody else. Now, what if you created your lesson in Nearpod? Because Nearpod does have a lot of great lessons that you could start off with and then just add what you need. Well, all you're going to do is go to the lesson that you created in Nearpod, go to these three dots at the top, click share with teachers, and it has this thing called an editable link. Just copy that link, go back to the form, click your subject, add the link, paste it in, and apply. So now that you've added your Nearpod link, when people go to click it, it's going to pull up this page that says, would you like to add it to your library? And it's going to copy that whole lesson to your library where you're going to get your own kids' numbers and data when they go through it. Okay. So again, when you're ready to use these lessons, make sure you come to this sheet and make a copy. Even if you're the one that created the lesson, come back to this sheet and make a copy to make sure that you're not sending out or editing the master copy on everybody. If you have any questions, always feel free to stop by, and I hope this helps.